rising tensions. The advisory also warns against Iranian forces boarding American vessels. We start this hour in the United States, and a U.S. appeals court in California has temporarily listed a federal judge's order blocking the Trump administration's move to end deportation protections for nearly 89,000 migrants from Honduras, Nepal and Nicaragua. The Ninth U.S. Court of Appeals ruled that the government could likely prove legitimate reasons to end temporary protected status for these migrants. Meanwhile, Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem defended this decision, arguing that TPS was always meant to be temporary. The decision marks a significant development in the ongoing legal battle, with the Ninth Circuit panel concluding that the government could appropriately consider conditions in these countries. Joining us now is Dr. Satoru Nagao. He's a fellow at the Hudson Institute. He joins us live from Tokyo. Dr. Nagao, of course, this comes amid Donald Trump's immigration crackdown, where we are seeing deportations frequently in the United States now. Those three countries, Honduras, including Honduras and Nepal. What is the significant about this, and what does it say about the legal system in the country when it comes to this temporary protection of these citizens?
This has already removed the government, and in the court, the legal or not is a matter in the court, but at the same time, the policy itself has already started. So that's why now this is legal, so it will continue. But anyway, the real situation will not change because policy has already started. In this case, battle between Republicans and Democrats about illegal immigrants is indeed escalated because this year is a midterm election year. So that's why the appeal point of the Republican government is cracking down the illegal immigrant, but at the same time, the view from the Democrats, they are supporting the business in the United States, so that, and especially the work the Americans do not do, it's rely on this kind of the immigrants. So that's why illegal immigrants should be legal. But this is a little bit controversial because the view from the legal immigrants, illegal immigrant is also becoming the legal is something unfair. So that's why this is, even if the people came from other country as immigration, opinion is divided. So some are supporting Republican side and some are supporting a Democrat side, and they are divided too. So decision has made because of the Republican government, but anyway, the court supports right as the government can decide. That is my current situation.
And Dr. Nagao, what does this say about the current friction between the upper courts, the lower courts, and just in general the judicial system in the United States when it comes to making these partisan decisions? Of course, we've seen some courts uphold the Trump administration's policies, the others strike them down. Where does this play into that?
Of course, it relies on the court's verdict, but at the same time, finally it will reach capital. So that's why the my final decision will come. But anyway, the policy itself has already started. So reality in the city and other part of the area in the United States, the policy itself has moving. So illegal immigrants they find and they will deport. So that's why the battle in the court is continued, but reality is different. So that's why just legal or not is controversial issue, but at the same time, this is not the decisive, I believe.
Dr. Nagao, stay with us.